shout out to everybody who lives up here at the north. IKEA has officially come to this side of the metro. Welcome to the IKEA Plan and Order Shop opening announcement. A round of applause for the
When you go around the stores, and you'll discover it next week, you will see actually room settings, you will see bedrooms, you will see kitchens, you will see wardrobes there that you can be inspired with. It's actually a shop where customers can order the full IKEA range. It's also a shop where customers can plan their home solutions. It's a shop where customers can actually collect their online orders or their in-store orders. And it's a shop where customers can purchase immediately products, some furnishing accessories.
QC is another heart of this capital, and it's the north of town. And does it need an IKEA? It deserves an IKEA. It's such a prominent brand.
Looking forward to inspiring the many Filipinos in Quezon City to improve their life at home.
I can't wait to see this open.
See you on October 23
dito sa TriNoma IKEA Plan and Order Shop.